Good morning. Today I will discuss how to interface passive infrared sensor, or you can say motion sensor, with Arduino Mega using LabVIEW. So over here I have passive infrared sensor. Using these potentiometers you can change the duration of pulse, and you can also change the range of this PIR sensor. Okay, so this PIR sensor have one VCC. As you see over here, this is VCC, and this one is my signal, and this one is ground. As the red one is my VCC, that is 5 volt, black one is ground, and white one, and this yellow one is my analog pin, that is my signal from PIR sensor. And over here I have a LED that is connected to pin number 7. So right now I just acquire a signal, analog signal, and generate a digital signal. So for this purpose I just go to the software part, and over here you have to just Linux firmware wizard. First you have to interface your Arduino Mega. Right now my COM port is 7. Next. So as you see over here, the program is burning, and when the uploading is done I just finish it. So just finish it and go to Maker Hub toolbox, just lock it, and over here first process is just open, create a constant, and in this constant select the COM port, then you have to close. And in this program I just read analog signal, so I just read analog signal, and the pin number is 8. Then just go to the digital port, and over here I have to write, so I just connect this, connect error to error over here, and over here you have to select the pin number. The pin number is 7, digital pin number 7, and over here we have to give some value. So right now I just create a comparison when the output value of PIR sensor, because when there is a signal the output value is 3.4 something volt. So I just take this from here and create a constant, and the constant value is 2. So when the voltage is above 2, it will create a true function, and a true function is 1, or you can say 5 volt. It goes to the LED from pin number 7. So I just create a while loop over here. So for continuous signal reading and generation, Control U, just I also create a meter to show the value. So there is 5 volt set, and this value is around 3 point something. So I just create a visible digital display, and I also take a LED, that is the output. So LED, and it is this LED is connected to the output of the comparator that goes to the output side. Okay, so when I hit on run button, as you see right now the program is started, and as you see right now the value is 0, and when I move my hand in front of this PIR sensor the value is 3.4 something, and right now my hand is stationary, so the output is 0, and when I move my hand, as you see the output goes 3.4, and the LED also run. Okay, so this is how right now I am moving my hand, so output is there, but when my hand is stationary over here, as you see, the LEDs goes off and output LED also goes off. So this is how you can acquire analog signal and generate digital signal using different applications. Thank you.